Look closely. What you're seeing right now isn't real. Every pixel, every shadow, every emotion on this screen was dreamt up by a machine in seconds. We are no longer approaching the future. We are living in the funeral of reality. In less than 3 minutes, I will show you why Hollywood is terrified and why your own eyes can no longer be trusted. Welcome to NexrovAI. Meet Sora. It doesn't just edit videos, it understands physics, light, and human motion better than we do. Imagine a world where a billion-dollar blockbuster can be made by a kid in a basement. No actors, no cameras, no limits. But there's a darker side. When anyone can create truth with a single prompt, how do we distinguish a memory from a simulation? We are entering an era of perfect deception. Industry giants are panicking. From OpenAI to Kling and Luma, the race for the God model of video is on. It's not just about movies anymore. It's about social media, news, and history itself. If AI can recreate the past, can it also manipulate your future? The tools I'm about to show you are the last keys to a world that was once human. Use them wisely, or be replaced by them. The revolution isn't coming, it's already here. You have two choices: master these machines, or become obsolete. I've compiled a list of the 5 most dangerous AI tools in the description below to get you started. But before you go, remember the question we started with. How do you know if this video was even real? If you're ready to navigate this new reality with us, like this video and join the NexrovAI community by subscribing. The future is here. Don't be left behind.